Hello everybody. So today we'll be learning about the function overloading in C++. So the function overloading is a feature of object-oriented programming where two or more functions have the same name but different parameters. And a function can be overloaded with different jobs. In this example, we have a function name called test, but we write three different functions with different parameters. So whenever a function call occurs in the main function, the corresponding function is called based on the parameters, the arguments that we pass. Okay, so we'll learn it with an example. Okay, now let us learn about the function overloading. Hash include IO stream using namespace std void add. Here this is the function to be overloaded. First I'm giving integer values. Okay. The second I'm giving the same name but different parameters. So during the function call, according to the arguments that we pass, the corresponding function is so it is first time I'm calling the first one, which is having integer as the values arguments. So in the second call, I am giving double values. Okay. Okay. Now let me save. I'm saving it as one function overload dot cpp. Okay. Function overload dot cpp. Calling the executable file. Here I've got the answer as 8. The first add function was called, and the second time we pass the argument, double arguments, and so the second add function is called. Okay. Hope you are all clear with the function overloading. Meet you all in the next video.